the next lesson that we're going to today is using block command here. Block is very useful when we're creating repetitive objects, right? Object that actually repeated, especially let's say you're using it for interior design, and then you want to create let's say balustrade for the staircase, right? So example here, let's do the example here. Let's say, or probably a window. Okay, let's do the window here, right? Let's draw windows. Let's pick up a box here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9. 3. For that snap. Then we have one window here. This bar. Create another window here. Okay, so let's say it's a window panel. And let's just use an arch. Create some. Alright. So let's say we have this simple window here, and then we want to make it a repeated. We're going to use it repeatedly in the design. So what can you do? We can create this as a block. Right? To create the block, you can click on the create the block here, and then the block definition will appear. First thing, just name the block you're going to do. Let's say window 1. Second, you need to select the pick point. Right? Select pick point is actually the insertion point where you're going to have it. So usually we're going to select either the end of the drawing, right? And second step, just select the object, right? Select object. You can either cross selection or window selection. Once you have done, press space bar, okay, and then choose OK. There you are. So once you click OK, the window will be saved as an element, right? You can move this all around, right? So on. Most important is once you created OK, if you go to the insert here, the window you created will appear under your insert. So it means that you can insert your window anywhere that you want, right? How many as you want, or you can even copy it. Let's say you copy this again, right? Copy for few. So another good things with block, you can edit the block that you did, right? Example, I select the block editor, and I choose the window 1 just now, and I click OK. Let's say I need to change the appearance. Right? Example, offset. I'm going to offset this a bit. Again, offset about 2. Show you how much 2 is. Right, 2. Okay, and then sign. Right. So you have this, right? You can close the block editor, and then you can save the changes to window 1. And as you can see, all blocks, all the object that you copy, either you by insert or by copy here, will be changed. So it is very useful. Let's say you are working at a big drawing, and then let's say there is a changes in a component, and you need to repeat the changes to all. Right. So the best, we can use the block editor. Right. So example, back to my example just now, that you draw the balustrade for the staircase. Let's say the balustrade needs to be changed, right? So you can only change one, and then the rest will be changed. But the next one, I'm going to introduce you guys with the property command here. All right. So let's go here, property command. So for today, the property command, we're going to do only the coloring, but then later we will do the line weight and also the line type. right? So this we'll do it next time. But for today, example, you choose color here, right? So let's say you choose any part or any lines, you go to properties, you can change the color by selecting the object. Okay, let's change this box color blue, right? And this one here, change to color yellow. However, for technical drawing, a choice of color is very important, right? Because each colors will represent line width, where we're going to learn next week, right? So the best when you're choosing color for the technical drawing, please choose at the index color here, right? They have 9 colors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Please choose colors from the index colors, because all these colors will represent the line thickness that we use for our technical drawing.